Suzuki Splash. With the Suzuki Splash, a new fresh and exciting small passenger car, Suzuki Motor Corporation intends to gain the significant market share in this growing market segment in Europe. The new flexible compact car combines the sportiness of Suzuki's successful model Swift with the technologies and immense know-how of the Japanese world market leader in the mini car segment. The Suzuki Splash is not the successor of any specific former Suzuki model, but a brand new concept to satisfy the needs of demanding European customers in terms of roominess, compactness, modern design, aerodynamics, quality, drivability, performance and environmental friendliness. The safety equipment encompasses state-of-the-art features such as 6 airbags and an electronic stability program, the SP-registered trademark. It looks fresh, energetic, juvenile and emotional, and thereby underlines the aspiration of its name Splash. Within the global growth strategy of Suzuki, the Suzuki Splash is already the fourth entirely new model within 3 years after the launch of Swift, Grand Itegra and SX4, which all embody Suzuki's unique way of life! Philosophy. Within this market segment, the car convinces with a relatively tall body, 1.6 meters, based on the chassis from the sporty Swift. With its overall length of 3.7 meters and width of 1.7 meters, it offers an amply tall and comfortable roomy cabin with sufficient legroom for adults on all seats. Its modern design leads to excellent aerodynamic efficiency and consequently to low carbon dioxide emissions. The Suzuki Splash will make its worldwide debut at the International Motor Show in September in Frankfurt am Main. Sales of the car with its excellent ride comfort will start as of spring 2008. It will be available with 2 different petrol engines, the 1.0-liter, 3-cylinder, 12-valve unit with maximum power of 48 kilowatts 65 HP and a 1.2-liter, 4-cylinder, 16-valve unit with maximum power of 63 kilowatts 86 HP. With these engines, low friction and plentiful flat-to-work delivery at low and mid-range speeds help to ensure good drivability across the rev range while promoting fuel economy and limiting CO2 emissions. Customers preferring a diesel engine can choose a proven 1.3-liter, common rail, 16-valve unit with optional particulate filter and a maximum power of 55 kilowatts 75 HP. In light of the growing need for environmental compatibility, emissions of all 3 engines with 5-speed manual gearbox are between only 120 g/km and 140 g/km. The petrol engines were both newly developed by Suzuki Motor Corporation as next-generation powered engines. The diesel engine will be produced at Suzuki's plant in India under license from Grand Powertrain Europe. Suzuki aims to sell up to 60,000 units per year of the Suzuki Splash in Europe. The brand new model has been developed by Suzuki Motor Corporation and will be produced by its subsidiary company Magyar Suzuki Corporation in Hungary.